Now, a lot of people have been phoning in and asking me to make one particular recipe. And that recipe is bitch lasagna. So today I'm going to show you how to make some bitchin' lasagna. You got it. You guys want it? You get it. So here's your ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need one T-Series picture. You're going to take that and you're going to throw it in an oven-safe pan. Next, you need a picture of PewDiePie. So you're going to take it and you're going to throw it on top of that. Now you can keep doing this as many layers as you want. Or you can put the PewDiePie on bottom and T-Series on top. But you could just keep putting more and more layers depending on how thick you want it. So now you're going to take that. I'm going to have Joe help me out here. So he's going to take the pan. You're going to set your oven to 65 million degrees. And you're going to put it right in. You're going to close it on up. And that's it. You wait about 45 minutes and you have some bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna.